Got a good iPhone 7 review. I think it's pretty much working. It's sticking through the rain and everything.
Get to a location downtown and then hold there, and then once, like, I'm of course gonna be monitoring, you know, the winds and everything. So we'll see when is the best time to move, you know.
Today is October 6th. It is 10:45. Hurricane Matthew's coming in tonight, probably around 8 o'clock. It's a Category 4 hurricane.
You can die either inside your place or outside. Like this is not a safe place, you know.
We're gonna brave the storm and see what we can get. What's up, guys? What's up?
Then I saw you in a dream, right? I wanna call you. I kind of feel that I can't name. It's strange, but I don't need space from you. In every single thing you do, I like. I've been
Trying to grab a GoPro. Mario can't remember the code.
Didn't he just tell you the code?
Yes.
It's starting.
That's right, Mario.
So
Don't go in next time.
we just took Mario's car. Just drive past him. Roll down the window.
Bye, Mario.
Later.
Take care.
Bye, man.
Hit the door harder.
Right there. It is now 4:35, and I just realized they'd sent out a warning saying at 5 o'clock you shouldn't be on the road, and we're seeing this storm come in. I don't know if you can see that out there. It's starting to get dark. It's getting real dark. Like, what are we doing, man? This is a bad idea.
I thought we had time.
So I went back to my apartment and I packed up everything I could. I'm hoping my apartment does well. As you can see, I'm soaked. And we'll see if we can get some footage tomorrow. I forgot my guitar.
On YouTube for my submission, and I forgot to slate it at the beginning, so I have to re-export it and repost it. All for this shot. This stupid little slate thing. That bar dang slate. If you guys want to walk down the Arboretum, I don't know. Right now, Hurricane Matthew is on everyone's mind. So if you put out anything and just like put some clickbait and make a crazy title, and people will watch it right now. It's about the hurricane.
He's right.
Gotta put out what's on their mind.
Yo, Luis, why are we going outside, man?
Let me tell you why we going outside. Buzz, why we going outside?
You know.
That's
No,
right.
oh my gosh.
Why we going
Why are we going outside?
outside?
Well, you gotta lock your door, right?
Because oh, we gotta lock the door.
Who's gonna break in the hurricane?
Buzz, why are we going outside though? Tell me for real.
Because there's a curfew.
There's a 10 p.m. curfew. It is now about 10:15.
It's alright, it's alright.
All right, so it's about 12:30 at night, and the winds are starting to pick up. It's predicted to hit at 2. We had a 10 p.m. curfew, so we wanted to break the law. The man can't do that. Nope, the man can't do that.
The news is good news. The danger substantively has passed. The storm now is north of Volusia County. The eye of the storm, it's out in the ocean, and it's not moving toward Florida's coast anymore.
The curfews are lifted in Seminole and in Orange, but officials are advising people.
Let me explain what's going on right now. About early Friday morning, the storm shifted east out towards the ocean. It was a major storm, and we were lucky that it shifted east. Although we woke up about 10 o'clock in the morning on Friday to nothing more than a light storm, like barely any water on the ground, about 20-mile-per-hour winds. It was pretty much at this point that we realized that all of our viral video ideas were gone. This next part is footage of Fuzz and I trying to salvage any idea we had left.
This is Hurricane Matthew. We're gonna try to first event of the day is longboarding. What is this called?
I've already told you, can't go on like this. Red lips and kisses, you got me coming for you. Guess I hardly know you. Oh,
This isn't working. We can't turn around. First viral video idea. Not good. Didn't work. Yeah, I think our other one's done for.
I've already told you, can't just switch away. Those days you say I'm such a problem for you. Baby, what I told you, that's too cliche. And fragile phrase.
Alright, so we're going to Chick-fil-A. We got the small house over there. Chick-fil-A drive-thru just opened up, so we're gonna go hit them up. I see. Yo, say hi. Where are we going?